Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.6% against the dollar. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The International Monetary Fund underscored its concerns about global trade breaking into separate blocks, saying such developments could reduce global economic output by 7%. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, is exiting Russia, following a sale of its Russia-based operation to a newly established crypto exchange named COMEX. The dollar steadied near its highest level since November against a basket of its peers, keeping the yen near a key intervention zone and the euro at an 8-month low, as US longer-dated yields extended their rise.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 07:55 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's current account at 0600 hours GMT. The US personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's construction orders at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.